Friends, welcome to 7th maths class. Today we are going to see next operation of algebraic expressions. First is monomial by monomial. How to multiply monomial by monomial. See 3x into 4y. Here numbers or coefficient we will multiply and variables we will multiply. So here coefficient is 3 and here coefficient is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. Here variable is x and here variable is y. So it will be x into y. So product will be 12xy. Here any sign is not there. Here in between 12 and x and y means here multiplication is present. Next is minus 11a into minus 11b. Here also coefficient take together. Minus 11 into minus 11 into a into b. So this product minus 11 into minus 11 is plus 121 into AB. Next is minus 3x square into minus 4xy. Here coefficient is minus 3 and here coefficient is minus 4. So their multiplication and remaining all variables multiplication. Here remaining is x square, here remaining is x into y. So it will be minus 3 into 4 is 12 and this will be x square into x is x cube into y. This is x square. And here nothing is there means 1 is present. So as bases are same, indices we are adding. That's why it will be, answer for this will be x raised to 2 plus 1, it will be x raised to 3. X raised to 3y. See next example, 2x square into 3ab square. Here also coefficient is 2 and here coefficient is 3. Their multiplication is 6. Now here is a square, here is ab square. Their multiplication we will do. Now here a square into a. What will be answer? Here is a square and here is 1 means 2 plus 1 3. So a cube and b square as it is. So 6a cube b square. Now next multiplication is between binomial and monomial. See this x in bracket x plus y. So here this x is monomial and x plus y is binomial. So how to do this multiplication? See, first step will be monomial into first term. This is first step shown by this arrow. So it is first step. Plus sign, as plus operation is there, plus sign. Now monomial into second term. Understood how to do? Monomial into first term of binomial plus monomial into second term of binomial. So it will be x into x plus x into y. So x into x is x square plus x into y is xy. Here also see, this is 4a is monomial and 2a plus 3b is binomial. So here also how to do? Monomial into first term of binomial plus sign and again monomial into second term of binomial. So it will be 4a into 2a, that is 4 into 2 is 6 and a into a is a square. Like that 4a into 3b plus sign, 4 into 3 is 12 and a into b is ab. So 12ab. Next type is binomial into binomial. See, this is first binomial 3x plus 4y and this is second binomial 5x plus 7y. How to do this? See, here first term of first binomial into first term of second binomial. Then by the same term we will multiply second term. Means by the first term we will multiply whole bracket. This is first step and this is second step. As it is over, now we will multiply with this term. So by this term also we will multiply both the terms. First to first term and then to second term. So it will be 3x plus 5y, 3x into 5y, sorry, plus, as plus sign is there, plus again 3x into 7y. Now by this term over, now we will move towards this term. So 4y into 5x plus 4y into 7y. So it will be 3x into 5x 15x square, 3x into 7y is 21xy, 4y into 5x is 20xy, and 4y into 7y is 28y square. Everywhere plus sign is there because both the terms contain plus sign. So everywhere plus sign. So it will be 15x square and 28y square as it is. Now if we will see these two middle terms, this 21xy is 20xy. These two are like terms. So we can add them 41xy. Vertically also we can do the same example. This is first term 3x plus 4y, and this is second binomial 5x plus 7y. So now we will start with this first term. We will multiply by this term to whole binomial. Then at second step we will multiply by this term to whole this binomial. So first is 5x into 3y, it is 15x square, plus 5x into 4y, it is 20xy. Now by this term we will multiply this. So 7y into 3x is 21xy. As it contains xy, below xy we have to write. So it will be 21xy. Now 7y into 4y, it is 28y square. Now just 15xy as it is. These two are like terms, so we have to add 41xy plus 28y square. So out of these two, horizontal and vertical, any one method you can choose. Next example, see, 4x plus 5y is first binomial and 9x plus 7y is second binomial. So here this will be by 4x, first we will multiply whole bracket. This is first step, second step, then third and fourth step. So both contains plus sign, so everywhere plus sign. Now four x into 9x is 36x square. Then 4x into 7y is 28xy. 5y into 9x 45xy. And 5y into 7y is 35y square. Now these middle two are like terms, so their addition we have to do. 28xy plus 45xy is 63xy. So 36x square plus 63xy plus 35y square. This multiplication can help us in word problems also. For example, see, find the area of rectangular field whose length is 2x plus 7 meter and breadth is x plus 2 meter. As we know, area of rectangular field is length into breadth. So as length is given 2x plus 7 and breadth is given x plus 2. So 2x plus 7 into x plus 2. This multiplication we have to do. How to do this? By first binomial you have to multiply second binomial. So from this 2x we will multiply whole bracket. First step is 2x into x, then 2x into 2, then 7 into x, and then 7 into 2. So it will give us 2x square plus 11x plus 14. This is the area of that rectangular field. So based on this, practice set 35 you can solve. Now we will move towards equations in one variable. Equation means like this form. Variables are equating something. If equal to sign is there between two algebraic expression, then it is called as equation. So x plus 7 is equal to 4. Here what we have to do? Here we have to find the value of variable. Variable is x. So its value we have to find. If this side we will just keep x, then x equal to something we will get. So whenever such examples are there, we are trying to keep variables on at one side of equal to symbol, and remaining all the things we will shift next to equal to sign. So whenever x plus 7 is equal to 7, for this example we will consider here, if we will send this 7 this side, so this side only we will get x, and we will get x equal to something, so we will get value of x. That's why what we will do here, this 7 we will shift next to equal to sign. But remember, whenever we are sending some terms or anything next to equal to sign, some changes are happening. That changes are, if plus term is sent next to equal to sign, it becomes minus. Its sign changes from plus to minus. If it's a minus, then it becomes plus. Now if multiplication is there between terms, then when we are sending the term next to equal to sign, it becomes division. And if division is there, it becomes multiplication. So remember this, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So here you can see 7 is plus. So what it will become? It will become minus. So here 7 we will send here. Already 4 is there next to equal to sign. So 4 as it is, and 7 we have sent here. So 4 minus 7. And here what is remain? Just x. So x is equal to 4 minus 7. This will be minus 3. So value of x we will get as minus 3. Next is 4p into 4p is equal to 12. Here 4 and p, in between these two nothing is there. So into 4 and p multiplication operation is there. So what will happen? If multiplication is there, it will become division. This 4 we will send this side next to equal to sign. So it will go in division. So here just remains p is equal to, already 12 is here, 12 divided by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. P is equal to 3. Next is m minus 5 is equal to 4. Here variable is m. So its value we want to find. Minus 5 we will send this side. Minus side will become plus. So m is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Next is t divided by 4 is equal to 6. Here division operation is there and variable is t. So this extra 3 we will send this side. When multiplication is there, it will become when division is there, it will become multiplication. So this is in division, it will go in multiplication. So it will be t is equal to 6 into 3. T is equal to 18. Next is 2x plus, next example is 2x plus 2 is equal to 8. Here variable is x. So remaining all terms, this 2 plus 2, this we will send here. Here in between x and 2 multiplication is there. That we will do at last. First this term we will send here. It is positive, it will become negative. So it's plus 2 becomes minus 2. Now here just remains 2x because 2 we have sent here. So here remains 2x. Then here 8 was there. It will become 8 minus 2. It's a 6. So 2x is equal to 6. Now this 2 also we don't want. We will send here. This is multiplication. It will go in division. 6 by 2. So x is equal to 3. Next is 3x minus 5x is equal to x minus 17. If you will see, variable are present on both the side, x and here also x. So at the one side we will collect variables together and all the other things together. So this x we will send here. As it is not having any sign, it is positive, it will become negative. So 3x minus x. So it will become 3x minus x, and this minus 5 we will send this side, so it will become positive. Here already minus 17 was there, minus 17 plus 5. Now 3x minus x is 2x is equal to minus 17 plus 5, it will be minus 12. Now it is 2x. So this 2 is in multiplication, that will go in division when we will send to next to equal to sign. So it will be minus 12 divided by 2, it will be minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. Next concept is forming equations from given information. For that we will see example. The length of rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice its breadth. If the perimeter of rectangle is 50 centimeter, find its length. For this, let the breadth of rectangle be x centimeter. Now if breadth is x, what is the information given? Its length is 1 centimeter more than its breadth. So twice its breadth. Twice means 2 times. So we have assumed breadth as x, so its twice will be 2x. Still length is 1 centimeter more than that. So length will be 2 into x plus 1. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So what is the length? Length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. So 2 into length is 2 into this is length plus 2 into this is breadth is equal to what is given? It's 50. Perimeter is 50. That's why it's equal to 50. So here this is monomial into binomial. How to do this? First term into first term, then this term into second term. So 2 into 2 is 4x plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2x is equal to 50. Now 4x plus 2. So 4x plus 2x is 6x plus 2 is equal to 50. Now 6x we want value of x. 2 we will send this side, it will become negative. 6x is equal to 50 minus 2, 48. Now 6x is equal to 48. So 6 is multiplication, that will go in division. 48 divided by 6, x is equal to 8. As breadth of rectangle we got 8 centimeter. As we got x equal to 8, we have assumed breadth as x. So breadth will be 8 centimeter. Now length is nothing but 2x plus 1. So here value of x we will put. So it will be 2 into 8 plus 1. It will be 17 centimeter. So length of rectangle will be 17. Find the sum of two consecutive natural numbers. The sum of two consecutive natural numbers is 69. Find the numbers. Consecutive means immediately coming. For example, 1, after that 2, after that 3, 4, like that. These numbers are consecutive natural numbers. If you will see, difference between them is 1. Means 2 is greater than 1 by 1, 3 is greater than 2 by 1, like that. Difference between all these numbers is 1. So suppose first number or any number we have considered as x, then next consecutive number of x will be x plus 1. So let one natural number is x and next natural number will be x plus 1. So their sum is 69. So first number plus second number. This is first number, this is second number. Their addition is 69. So x plus x is 2x plus 1 is equal to 69. We will send 1 this side. 2x is equal to 69 minus 1. So 2x is equal to 68. Now this 2 also we will send this side. 60 is divided by 2, 34. So x is equal to 34. So x value we will got 34. So first natural number is 34. Then next consecutive natural number of 34 is x plus 1, that is 34 plus 1, 35. Now from practice set 36, question number 4c. Rakesh's age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? So for that we will see. Suppose Sania's age is x years. Then what will be Rakesh's age? Rakesh is 5 years smaller than Sania's. So Rakesh's age will be x minus 5. Now what is given? Sum of their ages is 27. So Sania's age is x and Rakesh's age is x minus 5. Their addition is 27. So x plus x minus 5 is 27. Now here remove the bracket. X plus x minus 5 is equal to 27. So x plus x 2x. Minus 5 is equal to 27. minus 5 we will send this side. 27 plus 5, 2x is equal to 32. So now 2 also we will send here. 32 by 2 is 16. So x is equal to 16. That is Sania's age is 16 years. As we have assumed x is Sania's age. So x is 16. So Sania's age is 16. Now Rakesh's age is x minus 5. That is 16 minus 5 is equal to 11 years. Now from practice set 36, 7th example consider. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. Total of their scores is 2 less than double century. How many runs did each of them make? Suppose Rohit has made x runs. Then Virat's score will be 2x because Virat made double of Rohit's score. So if Rohit's score is x, Virat's score will be 2x. Now their total score is 2 less than double century. Double century is 200 and 2 less than that is 200 minus 2 is 198 runs. So x plus 2x is equal to 198. X plus 2x is 198. So x plus 2x is 3x is equal to 198. Then this 3 which is in multiplication we will send next to equal to sign. It will be 198 divided by 3. So x is equal to 198 divided by 3. So x is equal to 66. Now x we have supposed as score of Rohit. That will be score of Rohit as x is equal to 66. Now Virat's score is 2x. That will be 2 into 66, 132. Therefore, Virat scored 132 runs and Rohit scored 66 runs. So in this way, practice set 36, 2 examples are solved. Remaining examples of practice set 36 you have to complete in your notebook. So now we have finished the syllabus of 7th maths and accordingly prepare for terminal exam.